به نام خداوند بخشاینده و مهربان. Hello and welcome dear friends to part 4 of the most essential kitchen verbs. Here we are going to learn more kitchen action verbs, and the first verb is Shostan. Shostan means to wash. Shuy is the present stem of it. Shost is the past stem. So the example is sabzi ra beshuyid, wash the herbs or wash the vegetables. Sabzi ra shostam, I washed it, I washed the vegetable. Sabzi ra mishuyam, I'm washing the vegetable. Mishuyam. Shuy is the present stem in colloquial language, in everyday spoken language. And the next one is Khis, kardan. Khis, kardan, to soak. لوبیا را خیس کنید. Soak the beans. لوبیا را خیس کردم. I soaked the bean. And corn, present stem. The next one is Garm, kardan. Garm kardan is to heat or warm up. مایتابه را گرم کنید. مایتابه is the frying pan. Warm up the pan or the frying pan. Or you can say غذا را گرم کنید. Warm the food or heat the food. Then Sard kardan, to cool down. And then for kardan, again, you know, the present stem is always kon, the past stem is kard. Cool down the food. غذا رو سرد کنید. Then this one is چشیدن. It's very important and practical. So چشیدن is to taste. غذا رو بچشید. Taste the food. چش, present stem of it. چشید, past stem. غذا رو چشیدم. I tasted the food. خیلی خوشمزه بود. It was very delicious. Then غذا را میچشم. I am tasting the food. Then خشک کردن. خشک کردن means to dry. سبزی را خشک کنید. So this one is not an appropriate example, but we can say, then, yeah, that's all for part 4. And if you have any question or idea, tell me in the comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.